Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host, James. Now, if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos. Give a thumbs up and leave an awesome comment. Today I'm super excited because I went out and got, actually it's right here, but the new Ninja Foodi XL Smart Grill. This thing looks bad to the bone. And so all we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick unboxing, see what it comes with. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what I know about it, and also stick around for the deal. I'm gonna show you that, or tell you where I got it, what kind of deal I got. But yeah, plug it in, see how it sounds, what kind of functions it has and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get into the review. All right, so here it is, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. And as you can see, this box, my arms, I'm 6'2", and my arms, I can't even fit around the whole box, so it's pretty good size. So let's actually just go ahead and open this thing up. See what we got at first look here. Oh, it's like Christmas time in the summer. Yeah, I can't wait to use this thing. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications, because if you're interested in this thing and you do purchase this, I'm going to be doing a lot of cooks on this thing. Yes, all right, so let's get this down here. Open it up. All right, super simple, like anything else. Comes with the big cartons in there and everything, and you get a little, I think this is probably like the owner's manual or something. Let's take a look. Warning, do not do this, do not do that. What can I do? Anyway, I've got a book, some recipes in there, got your owner's manual, all legit, good to go. I'm just gonna set that aside. And actually, so what we got here, okay, so it does come with a brush, so you get a scrub brush to clean off the grill grate. Let's see, power cord, and this is the, oh yeah, the grill grate. Let's take a look at this real quick and just see. This thing's pretty hefty duty. I'm liking. So that's gonna go inside, and it's gonna get you some good grill marks on your poultry, your beef, your steaks and chicken or whatever you got. So that's awesome. And with that, and from there, well, we've got the top of the air fryer. So what I'm gonna do, instead of boring you, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and see what else we got in here. See you in a minute. Okay, so that out of the box, super simple to take out. Literally the top came off and this thing just popped right out, no problem. So this, when I took it out, this is what came inside of it. All right, so you got the grate and everything that we've shown you already. So next, some cardboard, and this is gonna be, I'm assuming, or it is, the air fryer basket, which is awesome. I like to do a lot of air frying. We're gonna put this thing to the test. I got major cooks to do with that. All right, and then what do we got here? And this, I think, is just a roasting pan. Let's take a look here. Yep, just the roasting pan. You can sit that in there, which is awesome. Be using that for sure. That goes in the bottom, and I think that's it. Yes, that's what I got with this thing. Now, so also one thing that, because I didn't want to wait. I need to get off this tape off here. I'm going to close this up real quick, actually. I'm going to get a look at the top. Oh, and it does come also, I almost missed that, but it also does come with a thermometer that you can plug in for your meat temperatures, which is awesome, because this thing is supposed to be able to cook, your food without, too much maintenance at all. Just kind of set the, hit the preset and, let it go. So there we go. There's all closed. Now, one thing, so where I got this from, I was originally going to go to my buddy's channel and purchase it, but he's an affiliate with Foodi Ninja directly, but their shipping time was pretty out there. It was like about 3 weeks, and I wanted to get this thing now. So I looked at my local area where I'm at, and there was a Kohl's, and so it was $279 is what they wanted, and then if you applied for a credit card, you get 35% off. So I ended up paying $196. Also, if you do go through Ninja, it does come with a couple more trays and stuff like that. So I can purchase those at any time. I just wanted to get this thing in, and you know, because I want to start cooking on it so bad. So anyway, what we're going to do now, since we got it unboxed, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and we're going to take a look at some of the presets and functions. Okay, so I actually had to switch where I was filming on my island. I had to put it on the counter. The reason why, and this is just, I mean, it's not a bad thing. It's just, you know, make sure to be prepared for it. Is that it's a 3-prong. All my other air fryers are 2-prong, so I have an extension cord because my power source where I like to cook is kind of far side. A little extension cord. That one's only 2, but anyway, no big deal at all. Actually, this is better. But be prepared if you do use an extension cord or something to get a 3-prong. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this thing in. Okay, so first thing, actually, I opened it up and I have this sticker in here. Now, it doesn't say to remove the sticker, it just gives a couple of warnings of, you know, kind of what not to do, but I am going to just remove that. I can imagine it'd be harmful to keep in there, but anyway, so I'm removing that. All right, so here it is. Got it plugged in. Let's go ahead and hit the power button, and the interface looks super sweet. Yes, so you got air crisp, roast, grill, bake, broil, and dehydrate. Actually, let me see if I can get you guys in a little closer here to the functions and what they say. Let's see here. There we go, if you can see those. But yeah, so you got air crisp, roast, grill, bake, broil, and dehydrate. And yeah, that's pretty awesome. And then it also gives instructions on obviously how to use all the functions, which comes in this handy dandy little thing here. Actually, yeah, like down here it'll show you times, presets, what to use, how to do it, rare, medium, when to get food, how to rest, and did you know? But yeah, it comes with this, so it gives you a guideline on different steps and different temperatures and stuff like that. Along with the on the back side also, it gives all kinds of meats, a chart, you know, sausages and chicken and steaks and fish, vegetables, all that good stuff. So it does come with that. So first thing, I just want to turn this thing on and see. So first thing first, let's go ahead and actually open this thing up. And we're going to put the grill grate in there. And one of the things also I'm noticing right off the bat is, if you look when it's open on the top, let's get in here for you real quick, that's the heating element right here. So I'm sure this thing comes off. Well, I'll figure that out. Not a big deal. It's just a round heating element. So I'm imagining that comes off. Well, it actually doesn't matter if that doesn't come off, but you know, I don't know. We'll see about cleaning if this stuff is easy to clean or not. But you guys are going to go through this, you know, with me as well. But anyway, something to take note there. Heating element on the top, and so we got the grill grate in. I just want to turn this thing on and see how it sounds. So let's go ahead and close it down. All right, we're gonna go grill. We'll just pick high, and I guess we'll just put it on 15 minutes. Not gonna take that long, but 15 minutes, and then right over here it says start or stop. We're gonna go ahead and start. So right off the bat, I can see there's a light that showed up down here. It says preheat, and I did look at some other reviews on this as well. So this thing preheats, right? So once you pick your setting, then it preheats and gets it warmed up for you, and then you put your food in. So I'm gonna let this preheat. Then I'll tell you how long it takes. But right now it's running. I mean, it's super quiet. I mean, way quieter than my other air fryers. But we'll see. So we'll see in just a minute. Okay, so first thing I noticed, all right, so it's been preheating. The preheating process of 17, so probably about seven or 8 minutes to get it preheated on high to grill. So, I mean, not a big deal. It's got to heat that plate up. So about 7 or 8 minutes for this thing to heat up. But after it is heated up, it makes a little beeping noise, and it says add food. So here, you would actually just go ahead and open it up. Just like that, and then you would place your food, obviously, on there while it's hot, and from there you just go ahead and close it back up, and then it gives you a timer here. And if you want to cook with a thermometer, which it comes with the thermometer, you can stick the thermometer in the meat, and actually what it shows here in the steps is it'll track your progress with that thermometer in. It'll tell you kind of where you're at and whatnot. So that's really good. Yeah, I can't wait to try this thing out. So after it is warmed up, and it does get going. It's not super loud, but you know, it's louder than I initially thought, but not bad. I mean, it's going to turn out some super awesome food for sure, and it's really super sleek. Great looking appliance for sure. In any modern kitchen or anything, nice colors, nice design for sure. So that's it. We're gonna go ahead and turn this thing off, and we'll bring it back up top. Tell you what I thought. Okay, so that's just in a nutshell. You know, quick one over. One thing I didn't mention. That you're going to want to do, any new appliance or anything that you get, you know, usually comes with some kind of coating, a little protective oil or something like that. Just get some warm water, some warm soapy water, and just rub the attachments and baskets and grill grate and stuff like that. Just, you know, give it a nice little wash to get that stuff on there. But this thing I think is going to be an absolutely amazing cooker, but you know, this is not a full review on it. It's just, what do we got? What are we looking at so far? So I'm going to do a lot of cooks on this. I'll give an in-depth, full-on review of this thing, you know, when I feel comfortable enough to give you guys all the knowledge and stuff that you need. Now make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications to get all the videos and be notified on this as well, because it's going to be super fun. And one more thing, if you want to watch another, it's not a full review either, but I know he's going to be coming out with a full review also. Check out Cooking with CJ, his channel. I'll leave his information or link in the description below. If you do go visit him, just tell him James from Cooking with James sent you over. If you leave him a comment, that would be much appreciated. But yeah, that's it. So you know, make sure to subscribe so you can come along on this awesome, fun, delicious journey. We'll catch you on the next cook/review. Thanks for watching.